what's up? We are here in, it's Portmore this, right?
Yes.
Greater Port, yeah. 8 West. We're here in 8 West. Who's talking?
Carol McLean.
Miss?
McLean.
Carol McLean, how you doing? I've never met your brother, but your brother is a avid customer. He's always shipping stuff, but I've never met him before. Yeah, you always pick up the deliveries, right? Yeah, Mahat, big up yourself. I've never met before, but we're a family. We talk a lot on the phone. We always have to talk on the phone. But it's good. We're here in Portmore delivering to you. I'm glad that you're here to accept the package, Mahat. And a lot of people don't know that, you know, when a person's overseas, who don't know that they can join us, ship the package, and we deliver it to the global. Yeah, so all that works. Alright guys, come here, let me show you something. Thank you so much. Guys, let me show you something. This is technology at work, right? So we have the delivery trail, guys. As you know, there's a link somewhere here, guys, or in the description box. Click on that link, join us today. Alright? So we can ship your packages from overseas and get them delivered to your doorstep in Jamaica. Can you see what's behind me? When that boy I grew up, man used to mix mortar, take bucket, chew up on roof, we cast it. Now, 1, 2, 3, you get your roof cast in less than an hour. Speaking of technology, guys, we have so many promotions going on right now. Click on the promotion, scroll all the way down to the end of our website, click on promotions to see all of the promotions going on. We're also using the technology of free shipping coupon. We give you 4 free shipping coupon every year for you to ship an item £5 or less, absolutely no shipping charges. Alright guys, and also we have the technology of platinum membership, where you join us and we give you a free shipping coupon to ship your first package for free. Alright, so we'll catch you guys later. We're here on the delivery trail. Big up all of Portmore, Sunshine City. See you guys later. Bye.